So in part one, we put together this basic motion study for a marble run. Here I'm now going to just do a little bit of troubleshooting. I'm going to get rid of one of the camera keyframes at 2 seconds. We didn't do this in part one of this video. So there's a nice even movement from 0 to 12 seconds as far as the camera is concerned. So in part one, we put together the motors, the contacts, the gravity. So anything that the marble was contacting, anything that needed to rotate. Here now I've gone to save animation, and I'm going to save our finished output to a video file, an AVI video file. I'm going to go with the defaults, just go with what Solidworks asks for. I'm going to ignore the corruption warning. The video should still work. So now we're just tracking what we put together in part one. So we track it through, and it's going to save the AVI file. And the video is finished. So the one thing I haven't mentioned so far in this tutorial is you can see there's a little 1x highlighted. That's basically the playback speed is 1 times. So if you change this and you output the video file, you can speed it up or slow it down. So yeah, and that's it. That's the video. So let's just play it back.